Learn how to install your ageless iron door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. One one-piece exterior handle set, one interior trim, one thumb turn assembly, one handle set latch, one faceplate and one strike plate, one deadbolt latch, one faceplate and one strike plate, one deadbolt cylinder assembly, two 2 3/8 machine screws and keys, one deadbolt adapter plate with two 5/8" thumb turn machine screws, one deadbolt dust box, one door frame reinforcer, and two 3-inch reinforcer wood screws, 8 3/4-inch wood screws, one screw cover adapter, one bottom grip mounting screw, and one mounting screw cover, and one plastic template. You will need a pencil, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a 1/8" bit, and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Standard exterior doors are 1 3/4 inches thick. If your door is less than 1 3/4 inches thick, the handle set will not fit. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of each borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Using the included plastic template, locate the 1/4-inch bottom grip mounting hole. Mark the hole with a pencil. Remove the template and drill a hole where marked. Take the deadbolt latch out of the box. The deadbolt tongue must be extended during installation. Also, make sure the tailpiece hole is on the bottom. Insert the deadbolt latch into the top borehole. Place the faceplate over the deadbolt tongue and use the wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Insert the handle set latch into the borehole. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is open. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue on the edge of the door. Use the provided wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Remove the machine screws from the deadbolt cylinder. Install the deadbolt cylinder into the one-piece handle set plate. The tail piece on the cylinder must be vertical during installation. Install the exterior one-piece handle set by placing it on the door with the spindle inserted in the lower latch. Make sure the edge of the handle set is parallel to the door's edge. Place the deadbolt adapter on the interior side of the deadbolt borehole. Make sure the smaller holes are on the top. Attach the adapter with the included 2-inch machine screws through the larger holes on the adapter plate. Do not fully tighten these screws yet. Insert the bottom grip mounting screw into the screw cover adapter and install. Do not fully tighten this screw yet, and wait to install the screw cover until you have the interior handle set tightened. Install the interior handle set trim onto the door. Make sure the interior trim is parallel to the door's edge before tightening screws. With a screwdriver, use the machine screws to secure the interior trim to the exterior assembly. Do not fully tighten these screws yet. Slide the exterior handle set up and hold. Now tighten the machine screws. Make sure the handle set is parallel to the door edge. Press the thumb piece down to check the operation. Tighten the bottom grip mounting screw. Install the bottom mounting screw cover once everything is tightened and functioning properly. Attach the deadbolt thumb turn assembly to the interior side of the door with the 5/8" machine screws. Install the machine screws through the smaller holes on the top of the adapter plate. Make sure the thumb turn assembly is parallel to the door edge. Check the deadbolt operation by turning the thumb turn. Mark and drill the holes for the dust box, door frame reinforcer, and strike plate using the door frame reinforcer as a guide. Drill holes where marked. Use the 3-inch reinforcer wood screws to install the dust box and door frame reinforcer into the door jamb. Install the strike plate to the door jamb. Use the handle set latch strike plate to mark holes. Drill holes where marked. Next, use the wood screws to install the optional handle set dust box. Finally, install the strike plate to the door jamb. You have now correctly installed your beautiful Ageless iron one-piece entry set. For more information about Ageless iron, contact our customer support team.